Hello, I'm Chris Matherly. This is the video Morel report for May the 23rd, 2019. Just got back from Michigan foray. Still an icebox up north. Just no warm temperatures at all. The ground temperatures we took was with my probe thermometer was like 48 degrees. They just need heat up north. But in any event, here's the reports and finds for the last 7 to 10 days. Some reports from Alaska along the coast mainly. Arizona, 7,300 feet at the rim fire. California, a few reports. Colorado, 8,000 foot elevation under cottonwoods. Connecticut. Idaho. More naturals and blondes and burns coming on now. Illinois, northern part of the state, lots of reports. Same with Indiana. Iowa, same there, northern half of Iowa. Starting to get some reports in Maine more. Blacks and grays on the coast. Massachusetts. Some blacks inland, but grays and yellows on the coastal. Michigan, the northern half of the state, is just barely starting. Around the central part of the state is at peak and moving slowly. And then we had the Michigan foray. We had to travel pretty far south to get into a few blacks and grays. Here's some footage from that. All right, you're on.
There's a lot of stems with no tops.
He found one.
You are.
The sound.
Minnesota, southern half of the state is coming on pretty strong. Still had a couple reports in northern Missouri. Montana, a few reports now. Nebraska, northern half of the state. New Hampshire. Got reports. New Jersey. New York. Ohio, northern half of the state, northern part of the state. Oregon, got some more reports, blacks, burns, and blondes. Starting to increase in elevation up to around 3,000 feet. Pennsylvania, the northern half of the state, in higher elevations. South Dakota, we got some reports. Utah. Vermont, starting to get blacks further up, halfway up into the mid part of the state, and grays in the southern part of the state. Washington State, starting to pick up around the Spokane area, and also in western Washington, in up to 2,500 feet. Wisconsin, going strong, peaking out in the southern part. Still got a report in West Virginia, 4,500 feet under an apple tree. And then we got Canada, Nova Scotia had some blondes. And they look like Oregon blondes, so maybe they're the same species. That's something that needs to be investigated. And there's several reports in Ontario. And then we have several reports of chicken of the woods in many, many states. here's the forecast for the upcoming rest of the month into the first couple days of June. We have the June, we have the Washington foray coming up, so wish us luck there. That's the end of the month and into June. The upcoming forecast is it's gonna be coming to an end in northern Indiana, northern Ohio, northern Illinois, maybe another week or so, and moving northward into Minnesota and Wisconsin and peaking out there. It's going to come to an end in southern Michigan and peaking out in the central and starting to come on better in the north. New England, further inland, is going to start picking up better and coming to an end close to the coast. Pennsylvania is going to be peaking out in the northern part of the state and coming to an end. Southern New York is going to be peaking out there. Moving westward, northern part of Iowa is going to come to an end and move further west and north. Nebraska is going to come to an end probably in the northern part of the state and peaking out there and coming to an end for the season. Out west, there's sporadic reports will continue in places like Montana and Colorado and things like that, but we actually have Idaho is going to be really coming on strong, I believe, and then a little higher elevations, and then Washington and Oregon, they've finally got a lot of rain because it had been dry, and it's got some heat as well. So higher elevations in Oregon and Washington, and it's going to be finally coming on a lot stronger because it's been a slow season. The northern part of Michigan, again, is going to start picking up hopefully, but I think you're going to find morels into mid-June in northern Michigan. That's the report for this week. Wish us luck in Washington. Happy hunting. See you in the woods.
Best soup I've ever had in my life. It's amazing.
Well, you guys picked them, so I put them in. We got
It's
a lot of
incredible.
mushrooms
You're an incredible cook.
in there. A lot of stuff in there. Glad you enjoy it.